Hey, welcome everyone. Today I will be your anchor. I will take you through today's tutorial. I am Ben. For those of us mining in the OVO wallet or OVO protocol mining app, there is a new update. All we have to do now is simply scroll down. So this is our OVO wallet. So we are going to do an update. Just simply go to the Play Store, open the Play Store, then search for OVO wallet. Okay, I think the options should show. Select that, and then you're going to see an update. So click to update it, or another way, you can go straight to your OVO wallet, open it. Once it opens up, you see update now. Click the update. So you are told if you're having issue with update, you can uninstall and reinstall the app. So it takes you straight to Play Store. You can simply go to Play Store and search for OVO wallet, then click to update. So once the update finishes, click open. You have this interface before you. Click get started, and then to bring this interface, so put in the email with which you registered. So register with Crypto Bounty. This is our email address, so we'll click confirm, and then the message will be sent to our email. Go straight to the inbox. So okay, let's go back. So you may have some issue trying to set it up. Okay, this is about the third or second time trying to set it up. Don't worry, I guess the site is overloaded. So simply click over like this, and then click go to email verification. So click verify now. Once this opens up, okay, once it has been verified, click go back. So click go back. So open with Google Play Store. Click Google Play Store, so it will take you to the app. Click open, and now verification successful. After that, this interface will open before you. You have to create 4-digit code, a passcode. Once you create it, you have to confirm it, the same code again. So once you confirm the code, very good, your account will open now. Just wait and wait for it to load. You can see OVO wallet is overloaded. Try again later, just wait. Okay, you can see our points now. We have 50,000 points. Okay, no friend card. Okay, you're not able to refer anybody. So all we have to do now is, first and foremost, you've got a gift. Click it, claim. Oh, so congratulations, you have earned 500 OVO tokens as appreciation for your participation. So click claim 500. Hooray, that has been claimed. So wait for it, it take time to come. So the next thing is to click grab a daily grant, click claim. Okay, wait for it. Okay, so our 500 OVO token is here. So we are waiting for the daily grant. It may take some time, it may take hours. Just be patient. Okay, so it has been granted. So let us refresh. Okay, so a 500 OVO token is here. Then 10 OVO. So if you want to see the 10, you can simply come here under history. Okay, let's see your transaction, allow it to load. So you see all the bonus grant and the daily grant. So these are all we have to do today. Just do this. Every other thing will be explained to us. How to do the staking, that will begin tomorrow on the 14th of March. So everyone. Even though the network is disturbing and you find it difficult, don't worry, just keep doing it over and over again. Okay, at a point you may be stuck, it asks you to provide code. Then maybe if you have created your passcode before, it's still difficult for you to verify it, you can simply close the app, totally remove it, then go and clear cache. So if you don't know how to clear cache, for instance, if this is your app, okay, this is our over wallet app, we'll come here and click, we'll hold it down. Okay, most Android phones should have this feature. You see app info, click the app info. Once you click app info, this interface will open before you. Then click storage usage. Once you click it, then you will see cache. Okay, simply click clear cache and then close this window and then go and open the app again. You should be able to do it. That was exactly what happened, and I was able to create my own. And so please do well to do this today. So remain blessed. We'll come again your way next time. We shall give you further updates on how to do the others.